Are you constantly seeing the annoying "your device isn't compatible with this version" error whenever you try to install an app from the Google Play Store? In this video, we're diving deep into the reasons behind this compatibility issue and showing you exactly how to overcome it, so you can download virtually any app you desire. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before starting, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps, and try to restart your phone. Solution 1. Clear cache and data for Google Play Store. Corrupted data within the Play Store can cause it to misinterpret compatibility. Go to Settings, then scroll down and tap on Apps. Find and tap the Google Play Store, then go to the Storage option. Now clear cache, then tap Clear Data and confirm. Solution 2. Reset network settings. This will reset all network configurations, Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth to their default settings. You'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network afterwards. Reset network settings on Xiaomi. Open the Settings app, tap More Connectivity options. Scroll down, tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Now simply tap Wi-Fi or mobile data. It will reset your network. If any of these fixes worked for you, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone facing the same issue. Thanks for watching.